In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Telegram bots that aren't working on PC. This usually happens because of simple settings or connection issues. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open a browser and load a website. Make sure your internet connection is stable because Telegram bots rely on an active connection. So if your internet is slow or disconnected, the bot won't respond. Also, you want to make sure to disable your proxy or VPN that you are using because that could interfere with your internet connection. And of course, that would cause Telegram bots not working. Now, if that doesn't work, I want you to hover to the top right corner of your Telegram and click the settings. Here, I want you to click the advanced settings, and then you need to make sure to go to manage local storage. Why? Because you want to make sure to clear the cache here in Telegram. Now, clearing the cache removes corrupted data that can interfere with the bots. Don't worry because this won't delete your chats, and you want to make sure to increase the total size limit of your local storage. Alright? Once you've done that, click the save button and clear the media cache. It's super simple. Now, after doing that, I want you to restart your Telegram as administrator because permission issues can block bots. Running Telegram as administrator often fixes this. Alright? Now, sometimes the problem isn't on your end. The bot's server might be down, so check the bot's official page or support channel for updates. As you can see, Telegram is up and running. Alright? And basically that's it for today's video on how to fix the Telegram bots is not working on your PC. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.